Welcome to Phil Fry Outdoors. Here I am out here again today. Not a lot of time, but the last time I was out here I did record and no audio. My camera mount that I'm using pinched the audio mic input, so I have no audio on all that footage I did the other day. I have no audio, but never fear, because it was just this right here, one half of a door, and we'll get the other half of the door done today. So everything I did before, I just repeat today. I want to get the door done. I'm doing things a little bit out of order, and it's because of weather, it's because of work, because of travel, all the things, life in general. So that's what I'll do. I'll get this other door done today. I've got this plywood here for the back side of this one half. And then once I get this cut, we'll start doing the other half. I'll use the Craig jig, and I think that works out pretty good. It's pretty sturdy. And I put this not quite ½ inch, probably like more like 3/8 plywood. They say ½ inch. I think it's like 30 seconds, something like that. But it'll stiffen it up really good. It's already stiff with this siding. It's pretty stiff. So I'm pretty happy with that. And I have some PVC trim. So what we'll do is, once we get the doors built, we will prime them, and then I'll paint the trim, and we'll paint the doors, and we'll put the trim on the doors, and then we'll hang the doors. Don't think we'll get all that done today, but because paint has to dry and it's not exactly warm. So let's get started, okay? Thanks for watching. Go for start recording. I think I made this door pretty heavy. Probably would have been good enough with just the siding and everything, but I wanted it to be really good and strong. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. Probably could put 1/4 inch on the back maybe, but it's definitely not going anywhere. All right, now we use the Craig jig to make a good strong joint. Man, I tell you what, it's nice being out of the wind and have a stove. When I get these doors up, it'll be a lot better because that plastic is not really holding back the wind a lot. Okay, so now what I need to do is put all these together. Have a little twist in it right here, so I'm going to put a clamp on it. Alright, so here we go. I'm gonna put the siding on here and get it lined up, and then take the router to it. Lift this up and put some glue on it. that I should have done to begin with. All right. I don't know if the glue is all that necessary. See, this is why I want a door instead of the plastic. But, all right. Line this up here. All right, I had to turn the compressor on, so it's a little noisy. But I'm going to start fastening this down so that I can run the router on it. Okay, wait. All right, that's good. Put that pull down here. So that'll hold me while I run the router around it. Then I can fine tune it if I want to, but should be good. Got these doors done. Now let's dry fit them to make sure they're okay before I go painting or anything. So let's move outside and do that. So it'll be fine. Maybe a hair too big, but I'd rather it be a hair too big than too small, way too small, you know, and then it'll be fine. Now, the question is, do I just hang them? Or do I paint them inside? Or do I just put the trim and hang it? Tough decision. All right, the right way would be probably to prime this here, put the trim on it and everything. But I want to get the door up there. So I'm just going to have to paint it while it's there. I want to put the trim on it now because the hinges go right through the trim. So that's what we'll do now. We'll put the trim on it, and then we'll worry about the painting it later. All right, I'm going to fire up this generator and compressor, and I'm gonna nail this down, cut another piece for the middle, and I'll hang this door and see how it looks, and then we'll do the other one.
There it is. I don't know if you can see this. It's getting dark. But it's done. For now, at least the door's closed. And I don't have plastic over it. And I like the hardware from Amazon. I'll put it on the bottom of the video here. There you go. It's got these cool latches, which you can't see. But there we go. And got these good latches. I just put this here because I didn't have anything better for now. I'll put something else there as a stop later. Let's get this latch on the bottom. And this is what the hardware looks like on the back. But yeah, that's it. And of course I'll have to paint that and all that. Thanks for watching, and this video is a little bit chopped up, but I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe below. If you're interested in any of the items I use in this video, please look below and to the link for Amazon. That channel gets a little help out of it. Thanks again. Come back soon.